Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Discord templates. First, understand that templates are blueprints for server structures, not content. They provide a foundation with channels, roles, and permissions already defined, allowing you to launch a new server in minutes. This guide will walk you through finding, applying, and customizing these powerful tools. Get ready to streamline your Discord server setup process and create amazing communities with ease. To find a template, you can browse Discord's official template library or explore various community websites. Once you locate a template you like, simply click its unique invitation link. This will open Discord, prompting you to preview the template's structure. Review the channels and roles, then confirm to instantly create your new server based on that template. It's a straightforward process. After importing, your new server is ready for personalization. You can easily rename channels, adjust their order, or create entirely new ones to suit your specific needs. Head into server settings to fine-tune role permissions, ensuring everyone has the right access. Remember, the template is just a starting point. Make it truly yours by adding custom emojis, bots, and unique server rules. For advanced users, consider creating your own server template from an existing server. This allows you to share your perfected setup with friends or the wider community. Always keep your server's template updated to reflect any changes you make, ensuring it remains a current blueprint. Also, remember to check the description for the link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Optimizing your server and your surroundings makes a big difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.